Hello everyone. You can hear me? Thumbs up or okay.
Spy.
Everyone, sit on your mats in Sukhasana. Spine straight, shoulders relaxed, your palms in Chin Mudra. Keep your eyes closed and start to observe your breath. Whenever you inhale, try to expand your lungs and then exhale completely. Inhale, expand your lungs. Exhale. Inhale, expand your lungs. Exhale. Relax breathing, everyone. Slowly join your palms in Namaskara. We'll chant one round of Omkara. Chant with me, soft and clear. Inhale. Hold your breath. Stay there. Slowly rub your palms gently. Generate good amount of heat in your palms. Place your palms on your face, on your eyes, and open your eyes by looking at your palms. Everyone, get into cat and camel position. Your palms under your shoulder, your knee under your hips. Inhale, slowly look up. Push your chest down, arch your back nicely. Exhale, chin close to your chest. Inhale, slowly head up, arch your back. Exhale, chin close to your chest. Inhale, slowly head up. Exhale. Slowly sit back in Vajrasana. We'll do 3 rounds of Shashank Asana breathing. Make fist of your right hand. Hold your right wrist with your left palm. As you inhale, chest pointing to the sky. And exhale, bend forward. Touch your head to the mat and collapse your shoulders. Inhale, slowly come up, chest pointing to the sky. Stretch your hands back. And exhale. Bend forward. Touch your head to the mat. Inhale, head up, chest up, abdomen up. And exhale. Slowly bend forward. Touch your head to the mat. Shoulders collapsed. And slowly stretch your hands forward. Relax in Shashankasana. Slowly sit up. Get into standing posture. Very good. Now start the basic loosening. Rotate your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Rotate your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now rotate your arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Rotate your wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rotate it nicely. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now stretch your biceps. Interlock your elbows. Very good. Now other hand. Your bicep should be touching your chest. Very good. Now stretch your shoulders. Hold your left elbow with the right palm. Push it. Now the other hand. Very good. Now slowly come back. Feet little wide. Palms on your waist. Rotate. Rotate your hips. Make big circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back. Stand straight. Hold your right ankle and push your right heel to your butt muscles. Feel the stretch in your thighs. Very good. Slowly release your right leg. Hold your left ankle. Push your left heel to your left butt muscles. Very good. Release your legs. Now, feet together. Massage your kneecaps with your palms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now rotate your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stand up, stand straight. Lift your right leg, rotate your right ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly put your right leg down, lift your left leg up, rotate your left ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly feet wide, feet wide. Bend down, stretch your groin. Very good. 1, 2, chest up, look forward. 3, 2, 1. Slowly twist back, look towards your left shoulder. Keep your chest up. Very good. Slowly turn towards the right side, look towards your right. 1, 2, 3. Come back, everyone. Yes. Now slowly raise your palm sideways. Interlock your fingers above your head. Now inhale. As you exhale, bend towards your right side. Inhale, come back to center. Now bend towards the left. Slowly come back to center. A gentle arch back. And as you exhale, Bend forward, look between your palms, stretch your body nicely, and inhale up. Exhale, release your hands sideways. Slowly, everyone, come on top of your mats. Stand in Samasthiti. Take a moment here. Feet together. Toes touching each other. Heels touching each other. Your body is in single straight line. Abdomen tucked in. Kneecaps pulled up. Shoulders rolled back. Chest up. Fingers pointing down. And drishti forward. Look forward, straight. Observe the weight of your body. Stay there. Stay there, yes. 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly. Everyone, we'll start the practice with Surya Namaskar, Shivananda style. Join your palms in Namaskara. Inhale, Hastutana. Raise your hands up. Feel the stretch in your body whenever you raise your hands up in Hastuttanasana. Exhale, bend forward. Place your palms by the side of your mat. Touch your head to the knee. Padahasta. Inhale, take your right leg back. Look up. Ashwa Sanchalana. Open your right toes back. Your right knee on the mat and keep looking up. Exhale, tuck your right toe, lift your right knee, take your left leg back, look up, your whole body in single straight line, Dandasana. Inhale and exhale, knee, chest and chin on the mat, drop your chest between your palms. Your hip should be pointing up. Inhale, come up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, go to Parvatasana, keep pushing your hip up. Your heels touching the mat. Very good. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly inhale. Bring your right leg between your palms. Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, left leg between your palms. Touch your head to the knee. Padahasta. Inhale, join your palms up. Hastuttanasana. Exhale, bend forward. Padahasta. Inhale, left leg back. Look up. Exhale, right leg back. Look front. Dandasana. Anisha, push your hip up. Little bit up, look front. Inhale and exhale, drop your knee, drop your chest between your palms, and then chin. Inhale, come up to Bhujangasana. Exhale, go to Parvatasana. Inhale, bring your right leg between your palms, look up. Exhale, left leg between your palms, touch your head to the knee, Padahasta. Inhale, join your palms up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, left leg back, Ashwa Sanchalana. Exhale, right leg back, Dandasana. Inhale and exhale, knee, chest and chin on the mat. Inhale, come up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg between your palms, look up. Exhale, right leg between your palm, touch your head to the knee. Inhale, join your palms up. Exhale, Padahasta. Inhale, right leg back, look up. Exhale, left leg back, look front. Inhale and exhale, knee, chest and chin on the mat. Inhale, come up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg between your palm. Look up, Ashwasanchalana. Exhale, left leg between your palms. Touch your head to the knee. Inhale, join your palms up. Exhale, bend forward. Padahasta. Inhale, left leg back, look up. Exhale, right leg back, look front. Inhale and exhale, knee, chest, and chin on the mat. Inhale, come up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg between your palms, look up, Ashwasanchalana. Exhale, right leg between your palms, touch your head to the knee. Inhale, join your palms up. Exhale, relax. Relax everyone. Relax in Shitala Tadasana. Feet little wide, palms little wide. Keep your eyes closed. Keep breathing. Don't move. Stay there. Try to bring control over your breath. Slowly come back. Come back on top of your mats. Very good. We'll do 6 more rounds of Surya Namaskars. If you feel tired at any point, you can take a break. Okay, and join from the next round. Come on top of your mats. Samasthiti everyone. Join your palms. Inhale, Hastottanasana. Exhale, Padahasta, bend forward. Inhale, right leg back, look up. Exhale, left leg back, look front. Inhale and exhale, knee, chest, and chin on the mat. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, mountain. Push your hip up in mountain nicely. Look at your navel region or look between your knees. Inhale, right leg between your palms, look up. Exhale, left leg between your palms, touch your head to the knee. Inhale, join your palms up. Exhale, bend forward, Padahasta. Inhale, left leg back, look up. Exhale, right leg back, look front. Inhale and exhale, knee, chest, and chin on the mat. Inhale, come up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg between your palms, look up. Exhale, right leg between your palms, touch your head to the knee. Inhale, join your palms up, Hastottanasana. Exhale, bend forward, touch your head to the knee. Inhale, right leg back, look up. Exhale, left leg back, look front. Inhale and exhale, knee, chest, and chin on the mat. Inhale, come up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg between your palms, look up. Exhale, left leg between your palms, touch your head to the knee. You can bend your legs if you want to. Inhale, join your palms up, Hastottanasana. Exhale, Padahasta, bend forward. Inhale, take your left leg back, look up. Exhale, right leg back, look front. Inhale and exhale, knee, chest, and chin on the mat. Inhale, come up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg between your palms, look up, Ashwasanchalana. Exhale, right leg between your palms, touch your head to the knee, Padahasta. Inhale, Hastottanasana. Exhale, Padahasta. Bend forward, Padahasta. Stay in Padahasta, bend forward. Focus in the class only. You can bend your legs, knee little softer if you want to. If you have lower back pain, you can always bend your legs. Inhale, right leg back, Ashwasanchalana. Now observe your left leg, left knee and left ankle, single straight line. Everyone try to make it straight. Ankle and your left knee, single straight line. And look up. Don't look down. Look up. Very good. Slowly. Exhale. Take your left leg back. Dandasana. High plank. Stay here. Very good. Keep looking front. Your body in single straight line. Fingers wide open. Your fingers just below your shoulder. Inhale and exhale. Knee, chest and chin on the mat. Drop your chest between your palms. Your elbows close to your ribs. Elbows close to your ribs, Namisha. Yes, elbows pointing up. Inhale, come up to Bhujangasana. Shoulders roll back. Roll your shoulders back. Move your shoulders away from your ears. Move your shoulders away from your ears. Yes, very good. Exhale, go to Parvatasana. Everyone go to Parvatasana. Yes, very good. Stay there. Keep breathing. Don't push your shoulders too much. Keep pushing your hip up. Very good, Anisha. Rini, try to make your spine straight. Lengthen your spine. Inhale. Take your right leg back between your palms. Ashwasanchalana. Very good. Exhale. Take your both the legs between your palms. Padahasta. Inhale. Join both the palms up. Hastottana. Exhale. Bend forward. Padahasta. Inhale. Left leg back. Look up. Exhale. Right leg back. Look front. Dandasana. High plank. Everyone stay here for 5 breaths. Engage your core. 5, 4, 3, look front everyone, 2, inhale and exhale, knee, chest and chin on the mat. Inhale, come up to Bhujangasana. Remember, shoulders always roll back in Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Lengthen your spine nicely. Keep pushing your hip up. Your heels touching the mat. Relax breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly inhale. Bring your left leg between your palms. Ashwasanchalana. Look up. Exhale. Right leg between your palms. Touch your head to the knee. Padahasta. Inhale. Join your palms up. Stay there. Stay there in Hastottana. Move your arms away from your body. Shoulders away. Biceps touching your ear. Look forward. Feel the stretch in your abdomen. And keep breathing. 5. Lengthen your spine. 4, 3. Stay there. Shoulders away from your body. Elbows straight. 2. Exhale. Release your hands sideways. And relax in Shitala Tadasana. Remember the name Shitala Tadasana? Feet little wide, palms little wide, eyes closed, and try to bring control over your breath. Focus on your breath only. Don't move, don't look here and there. Slowly come back everyone. Come on top of the mat. We'll do Ashtanga 8 Surya Namaskar. Top of your mat. Join your palms. Inhale, join your palms up. Hastottana. Exhale, bend forward. Touch your head to the knee. Uttana. Inhale, head up, look front. Your body is in 90 degree, fingers touching the mat. Exhale, walk back or jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana or Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, come up to Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Stay in Parvata. Keep pushing your hip up. Don't put too much load on your shoulders. Your body should be stretching up. Use your hip. Keep pushing your hip up. Inhale slowly. Both the feet between your palms. Look front. Ardha Uttana. Exhale, Uttana. Touch your head to the knee. Inhale, join your palms up. Exhale, relax. We'll do 2 more rounds of Ashtanga A Surya Namaskar. Samasthiti, everyone. Namaskara. Inhale, Hastuttana. Exhale, Padahasta. Touch your head to the knee. Inhale, head up, look front. Exhale, place your palms by the side of your feet. Walk back or jump back to Chaturanga or Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, come up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, both the feet between your palms, look front, Ardha Uttana. Exhale, pull your stomach inside whenever you exhale and touch your head to the knee, Padahasta. Inhale, come up, Hastuttana. Exhale, bend forward, touch your head to the knee, Ardha Uttana. Touch your head to the knee. You can always bend your legs. Inhale, head up, look front. Exhale, place your palms on the mat. Walk back or jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana or Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, come up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, walk back or jump back between your palms. Look front, Ardha Uttana. Exhale, touch your head to the knee. Inhale, join your palms up, Ardha Uttana. Release your palms sideways and relax. Very good. Everyone stand straight. Now open your feet wide. Open your feet wide, everyone. Very good. Slowly, from here, everyone, go to Veerbhadra 1. Open your right feet, close your left feet, bend your right leg, and join both the palms up. Veerbhadra 1, stay there. Stay in Veerbhadra 1. Your right ankle and right knee in single straight line. Your right thigh parallel to mat. If you want to look up, very good. Or you can look straight as well. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly turn back. Do Veerbhadra opposite side. Bend your left leg. Open your right feet and stay there. Veerbhadra 1 or Warrior 1. Keep breathing and try to stretch your body up. Your body is in center, but keep stretching it up so there's not so much load on your feet. Right leg straight. 5, 4, 3. Keep breathing. 2. Now slowly go to everyone. Everyone go to Veerbhadra 2. Stretch your arms sideways. Stretch your arms sideways. Your left leg is bended. Your left leg is bent. Look towards your left palm. and stay there. Warrior 2, 5, 4, stay there. 2, slowly turn front side, bend your right leg. Veerbhadra 2 towards right side. Left leg straight. Anubha, body is in center. Body is in center. 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly place both the palms on the mat. Everyone go to Chaturanga Dandasana or Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, come up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, both the feet between your palms, touch your head to the knee. Inhale, raise your palms up, Hasutana. Release your arms sideways and relax. Relax in Shitala Tadasana, everyone. Now slowly, feet wide. Open your feet wide. Trikonasana. Open your right feet. Open your right feet outside. Stretch your arms sideways. First inhale, lengthen your spine up. And then as you exhale, lengthening your spine and lean towards your right side. You can place your palm, right palm on the right shin bone and keep looking up towards your left palm. Very good. Stay there. Trikonasana. Uttita Trikonasana. Triangle pose. Very good. Slowly, slow breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale. Come back to center. Close your right feet. Open your left feet. Very good. Now, as you exhale, lean towards your left side. Lengthen your spine. We have to keep our spine straight and increase the space between each vertebrae. If you can, see, your body should be in single plane. Don't come forward just to place your palm on the mat. Look up. Keep both the legs straight. Breathe slowly. 3, 2. Inhale. Come back to center. Close your left feet. Now everyone, open your right feet. Bend your right leg. Slowly, we'll try today Parivrtta Pashvakonasana. Okay? No, Ardhabadda Pashvakonasana. So first, see if you can place your palm inside here like this. Try everyone. If you can place your palms inside of your feet. Very good. Now stretch your left palm up. Now rotate your palm back, left hand. Take your left hand back. Transfer your body weight on both the feet and try to hold your left palm and stay there and look up. Ardhabadda Pashvakonasana. Keep looking up. Don't put too much weight on your legs. Try to control your body. Keep breathing. 5, 4, stay there. Look up. 3, 2. Slowly, when you release your right leg. Place your right leg on the mat and then slowly come back up. Come back up. Close your right feet. Open your left feet outside. First, bend your left leg. Stretch your arm sideways and place your left arm inside of your left feet. Slowly transfer your body weight on your feet only. Don't put too much pressure on your palm. And then slowly turn, take your right hand back and hold your right wrist with your left palm and keep looking up. Ardha Baddha Parshvakonasana. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly inhale. Come back to center. Stretch your palms sideways. Stay here, everyone. Now, everyone go back to Samasthiti. Bring both the feet together. Release your legs. Release the tension from your legs. Both the feet together, Anisha. In Samasthiti. Release the tension from your leg. Any pressure, stiffness. Loosen up. Very good. Now stretch your feet wide once again. Feet wide. Both the feet parallel to each other. Now place both the palms on your waist. Inhale, raise your chest up. And exhale, bend forward. Rotate from your hip joint. Don't rotate from your lungs or chest. Place both the palm on the mat. Fingertips and your toes in single straight line. Try to touch your head to the mat. Prasarita A. Slowly inhale, come back to center. Now, take your hands back, interlock your fingers back. Very good. Hold both the palms by interlocked fingers back. Inhale up first. As you exhale, bend forward, lengthen your spine, and try to bring your knuckles close to your mat. Stay there and relax. Relax breathing. Inhale, come back up slowly with control. Release your hands. And everyone, bring both the feet together. Go on to top of your mat, Samasthiti. Very good. Now everyone, slowly, feet together, body in single straight line. Join your palms in Namaskara. Inhale, raise both the palms up. Join both the palms up. Exhale, bend forward. Touch your head to the knee. Inhale, look front, head up. As you exhale, place both the palms on the mat. Go to Chaturanga Dandasana or Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, come up, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Very good. Now slowly lift your right leg up. Lift your right leg up. Ekpada Adho Mukha Shavasana. Keep your right leg up. Now slowly as you inhale, bend your right leg. Touch your right knee to your head. Then again take it up. Do it for 5 times each leg. 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up. Slowly put your right leg down. Lift your left leg up. Inhale, left leg. Bend your left knee, touch your head to the knee. And exhale up. Stay there. Exhale, left knee. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 5. Up. Slowly put your left leg down. Go to Parvatasana. and relax in Shashankasana. Relax in Shashankasana, everyone. Slowly sit back. Sit back in Vajrasana. Very good. Slowly from Vajrasana, sit back in Dandasana Sthiti. Release your left leg, take your left leg front. Release your right leg, take your right leg to the front. Now press both the palms sideways. Press both the palms sideways. Make your spine straight. Very good. Now inhale, raise both the palms up and go to Paschimottanasana. Exhale, bend forward. Hold your big toes with your 3 fingers. Lengthen your spine and try to touch your elbows to the mat. You can always bend your knees here. Relax here. If you have very tight hamstrings, you'll feel some pain there, so you can bend your legs. But try to stay here and relax. Paschimottanasana. Keep breathing. Pull your stomach inside whenever you exhale and stay there. Slowly inhale, raise both the palms up. Exhale, release both the palms sideways. Now slowly bend your right leg. Bend your right leg. No, Janu Sirsasana. Look at me. Bend your right leg and take your right heel close to your right butt muscle. Don't sit on your right heel. Okay. Ek pada. Triang Ek Mukha Pada, Paschimottanasana. Now raise your hands up as you inhale and exhale, bend forward, touch your head to the knee. Ek Pada Paschimottanasana and stay there. Hold your left feet with the left feet with your palms and stay here. Relax breathing. Your left toes pointing towards yourself. Slowly inhale, raise your hands up and release your hands sideways. Now release your right leg to the front. Bend your left leg. Bend your left leg and bring your left heel close to your left butt muscles. Don't sit on your left heel. Inhale, raise your palms up. And as you exhale, bend forward. Try to touch your chin to the knee and stay there. Relax breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, inhale, come back up, take your palms up and release your hands sideways. Release your left leg. Very good, release your left leg. Now slowly, everyone, we will do Ardha Matsyendrasana. Lift your right leg, hold your right ankle, place your right ankle outside of your left knee. Very good. Now bend your left leg. Bend your left leg and bring your left ankle close to your right butt muscles. Don't sit on your left heel. Slowly, as you inhale, raise your left hand up. Raise your left hand up. Now turn towards your right side and lock your right knee with your left triceps. Place your right palm back. Look towards your right shoulder. Your right finger should be pointing back. Spine straight. Feel the twist in your spine and keep breathing. Slowly inhale. Raise your left hand up. Release your left hand. Now release both the legs forward. Now slowly lift your left ankle. Lift your left leg. Hold your left ankle. Place your left ankle outside of your right knee. Bend your right leg. The right heel close to your left butt muscles. Very good. You should be sitting on your sitting bones only, okay? Don't sit on your left heel. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Now turn towards your left side. Place your left palm back. And as you exhale, pull your stomach inside. Interlock your right tricep with your left knee. And look towards your left shoulder. Ardha Matsyendra Asana. Very good for diabetes. And very good for people who sit on the chair throughout the day. Keep breathing, keep your spine straight. Slowly inhale, raise your right hand up, release the right hand, release both the legs forward. Very good. Now slowly everyone, bend your legs, sit in Sukhasana. From Sukhasana, everyone go to Chaturanga Dandasana or Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, come up to Bhujangasana. Exhale, go to Parvatasana. Slowly inhale, take your right leg up. Right toes pointing away from your body. As you exhale, bring your right leg between your palms. Ashwasanchalana. Now, sit up, sit up. Release your palms, take your palms up. Now, what we are doing, we are opening the hips. Place your palms on your right knee. Very good. And now slowly go back, come forward. Go back, come forward. Feel the stretch on your hips, in your groin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly sit back. Sit back in Ekpada Paschimottanasana once again. My left leg is bended. My left heel is close to my butt muscles. Left heel is close to my butt muscles. Like this. Now inhale. Raise your hands up. Exhale. Bend forward. Touch your chin to the knee. Hold your feet from the outside with your palms and stay there. Inhale, slowly come back up. Raise both the palms up. Everyone go back to Ashwasanchalana once again. Ashwasanchalana. Go to Ashwasanchalana. Remember the name I keep saying. Now, what you have to do in Ashwasanchalana, come on your left palm, lift your right palm and open your hips. Push your right knee outside. Push your right knee outside. Feel the pressure here in your groin. Yes. Keep opening it outside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay there. Now, slowly, if you are comfortable, lift your right feet up. Left feet up. And hold your left feet with your right palm. Left feet with your right palm. Left feet with your right palm. And try to bring your heel close to your butt muscles. Try take it close to your butt and release. Close to butt and release. Very good, and stay there. Keep breathing. Don't forget to breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release your left leg. And everyone, go to your forearms. Glide up. Bring your forearms in the front like this. From Ashwa Sanchalana, from your palms to go to your forearms. Like a lizard. Lizard pose. Trishtasana. Look front and stay there. Your left leg, your left knee not touching the mat. Left knee up. Look forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on your palms, everyone. Come on your palms. And then go to Parvatasana. Go to Parvatasana. Slowly lift your left leg up. Bring your left feet between your palms in Ashwa Sanchalana. And now try to open your hips. Open your hips. Front and back. Do front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now everyone, sit back. Sit back in Ekpada Paschimottanasana. Relax here. Ekpada Paschimottanasana. Hold your left feet with both your palms outside and your chin close to your knee. Look towards your left toe. Slowly inhale. Raise your palms up. Release your palms sideways. And everyone, go into Ashwa Sanchalana and push your left knee with your left palm. Push your left knee outside with your left palm. Very good. Your right palm is on the mat. You are pushing your left knee with the left palm. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now place your left palm on the mat. Place left palm forward on your mat. Your left feet is outside of your left palm. And from here, from your palms, everyone go to forearms. Lizard pose, Trishtasana, and keep looking front. Your right knee is off the mat. Don't touch your right knee with the mat. Keep looking forward. 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly place, come on your palms for your forearms. And everyone go to Parvatasana. Go to Parvatasana and relax in Shashankasana. Relax in Shashankasana, everyone. Slowly sit back in Vajrasana. So what we just did, we were preparing for the Hanumanasana, splits. So now everyone go to Ashwa Sanchalana once again. Ashwa Sanchalana, your left palm between your left feet between your palms. Now slowly try to move your left feet with your left feet finger away. Come on your heels and try to do full splits. Keep putting your palms, push your palms on the mat and open your legs. Try everyone. Open your hips, open your legs. Try to do full split. Very good. Now, if you can, currently both of your palms is on the mat. If you can lift your left hand up, you can raise your left hand up and stay there. If you can lift both the palms, very good. Stay there. Hanumanasana. Keep breathing. Don't hold your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly place both the palms on the mat and come back to Parvatasana. Very good. Now place your right feet between your palms, Ashwa Sanchalana. And now slowly press your palms on the mat nicely. Stretch your body up and move your right feet away. Go on your heels and push it forward. Hanumanasana. If you can, lift your right leg up, right palm up, very good. And stay there. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, exhale. Everyone, slowly with control, go to Parvatasana. And lie down and relax in Shashankasana. Relax in Shashankasana, everyone. Slowly come back to Vajrasana. And everyone, bend your leg, go to Sukhasana and do a small forward bend in Sukhasana. Small Sukhasana forward bend. Relax breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, come back up. Now everyone, Baddhu Kona, butterflies. Bend your legs, soles of the feet touching each other. Hold your feet from the front side and flap up and down. Very good for women during menstrual cycle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep doing. We'll do it for 25 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Chest up, spine straight. Keep breathing. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Slowly, slow down gradually. Now inhale, chest up. As you exhale, bend forward. Try to bring your elbows close to your mat and touch your head to your toes. Touch your head to the toes and relax breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly inhale. Come up everyone. Now with the support of your palms, bring both the knees together. First, shake your legs up and down, then twist left and right. Shake your legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now bend your legs and twist left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now everyone, lie down in Shavasana. Lie down in Shavasana. Now we'll do the closing sequence. Bend your legs. Bend your legs. Hold both of your ankles. If you can't hold your ankles, place both the palms on the mat, palms facing the mat. Remember, we are going to do bridge pose of Setu Bandhasana. Don't look left and right in Setu Bandhasana. Your neck is in strain. Inhale, engage your thighs, engage your glutes and come up everyone. Push your stomach up, round your back nicely and keep breathing. 5, bring your chest close to your chin. 4, 3, 2, slowly exhale, go back everyone. Now everyone, go to Pavan Muktasana. Bend your knees, bring your knees close to your chest. Relax your lower back here. 5, 4, Pull your stomach inside. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1. Slowly release your legs forward. Stretch your legs forward. Now bend your legs again. Bring your ankles close to your butt muscles. We'll do one more round of Setu Bandhasana. If you want to do Chakrasana now, you can go ahead and do Chakrasana. Slowly, as you inhale, remember in Setu Bandha, don't look left and right. Inhale, come up everyone. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, slowly exhale. Go down everyone. Go down. Stretch your legs forward. Stretch your legs forward. Slowly bend your legs. Bend your legs. Bring your knees close to your chest. Wrap your arms around your legs. And relax in Pavan Muktasana. Very good. Now release your legs forward. Release your legs forward. Slowly, directly sit back. Directly sit up in Dandasana. Use your core and sit back in Dandasana. Do your neck up and down. Neck up and down 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neck left and right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now what I will explain. See, I'll explain you to start how to do headstand. So listen to me carefully. If you want to do take wall support, you can take wall support also. Okay. I would suggest take wall support. Otherwise, first tuck your t-shirts inside. Tuck your t-shirts inside. And see what I do. I interlock my fingers and then I place it at this part of my head. I support my head like this. Okay. Your fingers interlock should be close to your head like this whenever we are trying headstand. Okay, so we'll try with half headstand. First, everyone in Vajrasana. Women during menstrual cycle, please avoid headstand. Okay. You can look at how to do and you can practice later whenever you want, but during menstrual cycle, please avoid headstand. Now, first interlock your fingers. Now my elbows, I am on my elbows. My fingers are here. Interlock. Now I am placing the crown. This is the crown of my head. The top part is on the mat. My crown is on the mat. And this part of the head is supported by these 3 fingers. Now, slowly from my knees, I am coming on my toes. And I will stay here for 5 breaths. I'll stay here for 5 breaths. And try to see if I can stay here or not. And try to bring my hip above my head. And I'll wait here for 5 breaths. Then I'll wait. Then I'll go up again. This is called Ardha Shirshasana, half headstand. Do this everyone. Do half headstand. Very good, Anisha. Rest of the people try half headstand. Anisha, feet together. Keep breathing and focus at one point. Don't think about anything else. Very good, Namisha. And Namisha, interlock your fingers. Your fingers are not interlocked. Yes, interlock your fingers and stay here. Legs straight and try to stay here. 5, 4, 3. Keep breathing. 2. Namisha, walk forward. Walk forward. 2. Slowly exhale. Go to your knees. Lie down in Shashankasana and relax. Anisha, you can practice how long as ever you want. Slowly look up. Namisha, look at me. See, I am interlocking my fingers like this. Interlock your fingers and support your head from the top like this. Okay? See? If you can see like this. Don't just keep it here. Okay? And then press your elbows. Whenever you are there, press your elbows to the mat. Okay, do one more time. Try everyone. Headstand, half Shishasana. Namisha, everyone stay there, and Namisha, look at me once again. See, these fingers are here. I'm putting top part, the crown of my head here on the mat. When I'm supporting this back part with my fingers, I'm not supporting my crown like this. My fingers are here. Okay, try. Anubhav, do once again. Rini, do it. You're doing it correctly. Do it. Yes, Anubha, now try to engage your core and lift your right leg up. Lift your right leg up. Yes, and stay there and keep breathing. Stay there, keep breathing for 5 breaths, right leg, and then 5 breaths, left leg. Anisha, everyone try 5 breaths right side, 5 breaths left side. Anisha, look at me. I will tell you, see, without wall, it's very easy once you know how to fall. So I will show you how to fall. If you are afraid, then you can slowly try without wall. If everyone you want to see, you can also see. Otherwise, just try half headstand. See, currently, whenever you are in full headstand, I would suggest, if you have never done without wall, don't try it. And Anisha, you are trying with wall. That's why I'm explaining. First, your fingers interlock. Your elbows are pressed nicely. Your elbows away from your head. Support back part of your head and come up. When you are up, whenever you have to fall, just roll your spine and try to bring your chin close to your chest like this. I'll show you one more time. Try it carefully. See, whenever we know how to fall, it's very easy to try without the wall. That's why we are afraid. I'm up. When I'm afraid, then I'm going to fall. And I'm going to fall on my back. What I have to do? I will bring my chin close to my chest and roll my spine back. Like this. So whenever you have to try without the wall, try to bring your chin close to your chest and curve your spine so that you don't fall flat on the mat. You will just roll. There won't be not much impact on your body. If you are comfortable, then try it. Everyone try one more round. Anubha, Rini, Namisha, Tanisha, half headstand. No, whenever you are curve your spine forward, then you fall. And if you are falling like this is okay. Always fall on your feet. Don't land on your back. Okay. Everyone, relax in Shashankasana. Relax in Shashankasana. And lie down in Shavasana. Lie down in Shavasana. Feet little wide, palms little wide. Relax breathing. Inhale, expand your lungs. And exhale. Inhale, expand your lungs. And exhale. Keep your eyes closed. Focus on your breath. No movement. Your body is completely surrendered on the mat. Your focus is only on your breath. Inhale, expand your lungs, and exhale. Slowly bring your feet together. Keep your eyes closed. Palms close to your thigh muscles. Slowly observe your toes. Observe your ankles. Inhale. Tighten up your toes. Tighten up your ankles. Tighten up your calf muscle. Pull up your kneecaps. Tighten up your thigh muscle. Squeeze your glutes. Tighten up your chest. Make fist of your palms. Your whole body is tighten up. Your face muscles tighten up. Observe your forehead. Stay there. You make fist of your palms. Your palms moving away from your body. And exhale. Relax. Feet little apart. Palms little apart. Palms facing the sky. Your whole body is completely relaxed. Try to focus on your breath. Feel the breath. Feel the flow of energy, of prana through your nostrils, to your lungs, to your entire body. Enjoy the state of relaxation. Without any sound, bring your feet closer. Stretch your arms above your head. Now turn towards your right side. Bend your left leg and turn towards your right side. Your head resting on your right biceps. Now with the support of your palm, sit back in Sukhasana. Keep your eyes closed in any meditative posture. Your palms in Chin Mudra, palms facing the sky and on the knees. Inhale, expand your lungs, and exhale completely. Inhale Exhale completely. Keep your spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Slowly join your palms in Namaskara. We'll chant 3 rounds of Omkara. Chant with me, soft and clear. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Om. Inhale. Stay there. Relax, breathing. Now slowly rub your palms. Rub your palms gently. Generate good amount of heat in your palms. Slowly and softly place your palms on your face, on your eyes, on your neck, on your entire body. Slowly bend forward, touch your head to the mat. Come up, join your palms in Namaskara. And now, with a gentle smile on your face and with a few blinks in your eyes, open your eyes by looking at your palms. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining.